Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Ecotec 3 engine, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, external memory control, trailer hitch receiver, rear wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.